5 seconds. Dear colleagues, I have great pleasure to be present here on this happy occasion this evening. I am very grateful to you all for the felicitations that have been extended to me on my taking over as the chief of the city police. I am very much aware of the fact that it is a very difficult job under the present circumstances. Even then, I have to bear in mind the faith reposed in me by our Honorable Chief Minister. First of all, I would like to seek your fullest cooperation during my tenure here. If we take into account the police force available at present, I am very sorry to note that it is very much less when compared to the total population of this great city. It is not at all adequate to handle situations arising out of various issues. I would like to mention at this point of time that our police force, though it is less in number, has got the guts and the courage to face any kind of threat to society. I am sure that it is not lagging behind in its action in safeguarding the interests of the people at large. However, I feel it is absolutely necessary to increase the strength at the lower level. I propose to take up the matter with the appropriate persons at the helm of affairs. I request all of you to take a pledge that we should continue to be friends of the people. I am aware that there is a general allegation against the police that if any person approaches a police station to lodge his complaint about some crimes, he has to suffer as he is driven from pillar to post on the ground of jurisdiction. This kind of treatment is not good as far as the department as a whole is concerned. In my opinion, we should, in the first instance, register the complaint and then transfer it to the concerned station. It is not at all a difficult task and it will be done as it is the general expectation of the people that we serve with sincerity. I hope I will be right if I say that the crime rate in the city is decreasing day by day because of our alertness. We can take credit for controlling antisocial elements through our stern action to the extent possible. In this connection, I would like to bring to your notice that the Honorable Chief Minister has been kind enough to grant a special sanction to modernize the present system by which we have been able to achieve better results. In my opinion, wearing of helmets should be made compulsory in order to reduce the number of fatal accidents on city roads. I hope the government will do the needful as soon as possible. I agree with the view that the four lane traffic system that is in vogue on the arterial roads is not acceptable to all sections of the people in this city. At the same time, it cannot be denied that this system has brought in some kind of discipline and traffic sense in the minds of the road users. We should encourage the people to use the zebra crossing points. If they want to cross the road from one side to the other side, it will no doubt create a situation where there may not be traffic mishaps. Before I conclude my speech, I once again thank you all for having given me this opportunity to express some of my views for your guidance. Thank you very much. Later, from the manager Priya Agencies Delhi to the proprietor Padma Dresses Chennai. Dear Sir, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th instant. We have noted the contents. We very much regret to hear from your agent in your place that the quality of the woolen goods that have been supplied to you for the past few months has been very poor. We would like to take this opportunity to inform you that there has been no such complaint from any of the other clients. We would like to mention that we are prepared to take back the same. We will arrange to credit you with the value of the goods. We would be very happy if you could continue to have business relations with us in the future also. As you are aware, we have always tried to do our best to keep the standard at a very high level, but we are at present short of hands and we have had to depend on other firms for much of the work which was previously done in our factories. They did not perform the duties in the way we expected. We are, however, advising them to improve the quality in their manufacture and hope that they would do the needful. We assure you that care will be taken to see that there is no such complaint in the future. We expect your continued patronage. Yours faithfully.